What's up, everybody? It's Paul. We are here at LAX. It's about 6:45 a.m. right now. Getting ready to head out to RWB Seattle. I'm excited to see these last two builds happen and then be on this journey with the team.
Right here in Seattle.
What are we out here for, dude? What are you excited about today?
Dude, we're out here to watch another Porsche being built. I didn't get to see the first two. I get to see the third one. But should be pretty dope. I think it's a triple build. Marvin in the house.
Hey, now Marv, introduce yourself, Marv.
Marvin Racinos. I'm here with Own Concepts in Super Street. And
What
we're
are you
here to have
excited
fun.
about today, bro?
Huh?
What are you excited about for this trip?
Cars.
Bunch of cars,
Excited to
right?
see the color more than anything.
I know,
Although I
right?
think it's pink, but I'm excited to see the color.
Very different.
Yes.
Something different.
So we're here in Seattle, just landed maybe about 20 minutes ago. And Marvin's luggage is still back at LAX. And Josh's tripod is on another plane going somewhere.
They lost my bag.
Thank you.
With
I
all
know,
my
I heard,
my
dude.
equipment, my memory cards, my batteries. I have a body. That's it.
Yeah, I've never seen that before.
I've never seen that.
That M interior, fully restored. So nice, dude.
I mean, interviews would obviously fill up everything else. So with you, and then also one with Nakai, if you could like preface that with him, if we could set aside a time, even if it's after the build or before, I mean, that would be able to at least fill up some of the storyline.
I mean, we can play it by ear once things are settled and I have the cars here and I know exactly how things are going to be, then I can play it out.
Okay.
A lot of times it's a yes or no.
Yeah.
Like we wanted him to drive the cars in New Jersey and he was like, no. And so I was lucky to get him to drive the cars here.
Yeah, so we're planning to do the R1 canopy right here, next to the RWB canopy, facing out this way, kind of just watching the show the build happens, which is kind of cool because, you know, we're not separated in two different rooms, easier to manage, and then see how it goes from there.
You know?
What are you thinking, man?
I think we're gonna have to be really fluid, really. It sounds like there's a lot of variables. You know, yeah, we pretty much just gotta just roll with it. But it shouldn't be too bad. Most of us are pretty good at changing things on the fly, making things work, adapting. So it should be pretty good.
So Rodney, I wanted to ask, what was the manifestation behind these wheels? They came out amazing, by the way. But just
they
give my breath.
came out great. Brian wanted a directional wheel, kind of reminiscent of the Turbo Twist, the Porsche brand, but you know, with a little bit of Evo 61 twist to it.
Okay, so it's still resembling an OEM wheel.
OEM wheel, but you know, with a little
Just
bit of
a modern
concave and obviously a whole lot of lips.
They came out great. I personally love them.
And he wanted all black, but you know, we just kind of played around with textures to like, you know, gloss lip, satin face, and then, you know, satin and gloss, you know, center cap just to,
Whose
you know,
idea was it?
that was actually mine. So,
Really good idea.
because otherwise it kind of looks like a black wheel, you know what I mean? So you need to like snazz it up a little bit.
Captain's log.
Day 1 of the build. It's like what, day 3 that we're here?
our last SEMA build. It's nerve-wracking, you know. It's kind of down to the wire, but everything looks like it's going good. You know, brakes fit, brakes look good, car looks good. I'm excited for everyone to see this at our SEMA booth this year.
I have to, bro. Wait, when is Nakai-san gonna come back to Seattle? Probably not for a while, bro. Yeah, so no, I mean, am I gonna be on YouTube?
Day 2 of the 997 build. It's going pretty good. A lot of pieces to this kit. Car looks great so far. Yeah, we'll see how today goes. Here till
Got a
9:30
cars and
outside.
coffee right now.
Cars and coffee going on
Outside.
We're missing it, you know, because we got a job to do.
Greetings everyone, Guy with Griot's Garage. I'm here with R1 Concepts, Fantasy Colors. And behind me we have the 997 Porsche getting built by Nakai. I can't wait to see how this thing turns out.
And not to mention, like, brave to, like, chop
Kind of like
off.
blasphemy to the Porsche community, you know? Like,
Some
Some people would think like that, but it's
like, it's the hardcore enthusiasts.
just gotta remember, art is not for everyone.
Hello, Nakai. How you doing?
Hi.
Good. So first question.
Okay.
You have any new designs that you're working on? Like new, after the 997, will you do anything else?
Oh, future?
Yeah.
Oh, future, no thinking.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So right now it's just the 997. You want to
Until
finish it?
997, too much now. Yeah. We're
Okay.
busy now.
Okay.
I still want to do like more modified to 997 more.
Yeah. Because, so the 997, what version is that for the 997 right now?
Yeah.
That's the street version.
Yeah, it's like a street style right now.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to make something more like aggressive style more after future.
Good. Do you have any plans of retiring?
Plan?
Will you
retire?
Yeah, will you retire? Will you stop?
Retire? No retire.
No retire.
Yeah. Why I retire? No.
Okay, okay.
start it.
So with the brackets, you're at 87 3/4.
Right?
There's 87. The opening's 91.
You're including the actual.
So you can't go past this. The rear wheels will sit like right about here. The only thing is the weight is a lot on the tail. We're at 90, so we're way more comfortable here.
Slow, slow.
It's in, bro.
Bad, bro.
like you need to pump it again. That feels amazing.
Pump it up. Pump it up. Pump it up.